If you use Kotak Securities for stock trading or mutual fund investment, then let's see how to download tax profit and loss statement and file your ITR. Let's first see how to download your tax profit and loss statement from Kotak Securities app. Log into your Kotak Securities trading app, click on More here and scroll down. Go to Tools and Resources section and select Reports and Statements. Click on Tax P&L and select the financial year as financial year 2022-23 and click on Generate and download the report in .xls format. Now, all you have to do is log on to Cleartax, go to the Income Sources tab. Next, locate the Capital Gains Income section and click on Add Details. Now, you'll see a list of brokers. Select Kotak Securities from the list and click on Browse Files. Upload the tax P&L you had downloaded from Kotak Securities. That is all. We have imported all your transactions and computed your capital gains in just seconds.